Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to download videos from Facebook. First of all, open the Facebook application. Tap on the search bar and search that particular video you want to save. For example, type NASA. Scroll down and check the video. Tap on Share. Click on Copy Link. Go to the browser and search F-Down. Tap on Facebook Video Downloader. Paste the link of the video here and tap on Download. Tap on More Options. Select Force Download SD. Tap Yes on Do you want to download a video. Go to Downloads. Video has been downloaded. That's how you can download a video from Facebook. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.